Have you ever wondered if greatness is possible for someone starting with nothing? Let me show you it is. I create videos about success, exploring mindset, side hustles, and the journey from rags to riches. I believe everyone can rise from poverty to greatness with determination and willpower. I'm Raquel, and I'm here to inspire you to transform dreams into reality. Are you searching for inspiration to thrive and unlock the life you've always dreamed of? You're in the right place. My life is proof that you can turn dreams into reality. From a humble beginning in the Philippines to creating a joyful and meaningful life in the US, I've learned what it takes to not just survive, but thrive. Here on Thrive with Raquel, we're all about finding joy, growing with purpose, and taking practical steps to succeed. Whether it's learning how to save money, unlocking your confidence, or discovering daily happiness, this channel is your one-stop guide to living a vibrant, thriving life. Every week, I'll bring you fresh content to inspire your mind and uplift your spirit. Together, we'll make life beautiful. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Let's thrive together and turn every day into a new adventure.